off, it can't run off by itself. That's the gravity light. That's the Halloween edition Hexbug Nano. Wait, yeah, we have to start them back here. That's where we start them. Gravity brown. The orange. This orange. Oh, it's fast again. Because it was slow the last time, a few times. That's the, I don't know if that was the Great Britain one. Nope, it's not. Oh, the brown one's already on the battle bridge. I gotta get all these started over here. That pink toothbrush bug is dead. The red and green one is gonna be starting over here too. Battle. They're doing bad because of this one, I think. One of them's affecting the whole team. That's what happens. The red and green. Oh, the yellow fell. Oh, the zombie one's still one left. It's hard to see the designs. Oh, it came back up from the spiral. No, that one that I fixed. Oh, a long time ago already. That one's down there. There's the brown. Green is not doing a good job at getting up. They never do. Not in their habitats. It's just kind of dumb how they can't in their habitat. But that one should be fast enough too. I mean, even he's not even getting up, and he's really fast. Look at the yellow. Well, this yellow is pretty slow compared to most yellows. I got a pretty slow yellow in Hexbug Nanos here. Oh, there's the other one. That's the rare one. Oh my gosh, and it's spinning in circles. Oops, the zombie one fell off. Grab it for place. Oh, that one went out. That's no fair. I'm getting the Hexbug bucket over here because I'm going to be turning on some more nanos. There's the pink toothbrush bug.